In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WPS Office in Windows 11. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your Windows 11 computer and go to the official WPS Office website at www.wps.com. Using the official site is important because it helps make sure you're downloading the correct installer directly from the source. Once the website loads, look for the free download button, click it, and the installer should begin downloading automatically. Depending on your browser settings, you may see the file appear in your downloads bar or in your downloads folder. At this stage, simply wait for the download to finish completely before moving on. If your internet connection is a little slow, give it a moment and avoid opening the file too early. After the installer has finished downloading, open File Explorer and navigate to the location where your downloaded files are usually saved. In most cases, that will be the Downloads folder. Find the WPS Office installer you just downloaded, then double-click it to launch the setup. When the installer opens, a pop-up window will appear. Before installation can begin, check the box to accept the WPS Office End User License Agreement and Privacy Policy. This is a standard part of the setup process and confirms that you agree to the software's terms. Once that box is checked, click Install Now. At this point, the installation will begin. You should see a progress bar and a percentage displayed in the WPS setup window. This lets you track how much of the installation has been completed. During this step, just wait for the process to finish. The time it takes can vary slightly depending on your computer's speed, but it usually only takes a short while. Once the installation is complete, WPS Office should open automatically. That's a good sign that the setup was successful and the program is ready to use. From there, you can start exploring the app and using its Office tools on your Windows 11 device. And that's it. WPS Office is now installed on your computer. If you found this helpful, you can replay the steps anytime to make the process even easier the next time you install software on Windows 11.